Hello, my old school soul food family. Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, it is Thursday morning deal of the week. Before I get to the deal of the week, y'all, I'm gonna do a shout out. I got 4 things here. I wanna, y'all know when I receive stuff, I like to acknowledge the old school soul food family members that sent it. So, first thing here. Now I apologize. I know she know I got this. I know who sent it, but I forgot her name, and it's not on the box because she had it come straight from Amazon. And she know I received it because she sent me a couple of emails asking have I received it yet. So you know who you are. I appreciate it. Y'all know what I love. Y'all watch me very closely. Y'all know what I like. Y'all know what I don't like. And sometimes if I don't like something, you send it anyway. Kenna sending me cake mix, but that's a video from another day. So anyway, this is what she sent me. Yes, y'all know I love the Cowboys. So she done sent me a throw tie. I'm gonna unwrap it. Let y'all know what it is here. Look at this, y'all. I don't want to get it dirty. I'm gonna need it when the game starts. When the guys are doing the road games, y'all, you know I got season tickets, so I'll be at every home game. I might take it in there. AT&T Stadium gets a little cool in there. When that AC is blowing in there, and that $25 billion stadium, I definitely be using this. So I really appreciate this. Y'all know I love my Cowboys. Win or lose, I'm with them all the way. So anyway, let me get this back up in here, roll it back up in there, like my mama would do. When my mama opened packages, she opened the wrapping paper very nicely, so she gonna use it again. And I take it and rip it up. Said, Mama, we ain't that poor anymore. We gotta say wrapping paper. So anyway, to the envelopes here. Okay, I got a letter here from Greta Edwards out of Cleveland, Ohio, home of the Cleveland Browns. She sent me a letter here. Let's see if I can read this one here. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna kind of summarize here. These 3 letters here is in reference to my mental health awareness video I did last day of May. And I'll read here. She said, after viewing your video on mental illness, it really touched me. I felt compelled to write you. You spoke and was teased as a child, had big feet, big eyes. You exaggerated features of the child. And she goes on and on at the end. She say she too went through the same thing. She had big eyes, birthmark on her right eye. And doctor told me that she would be very observant. So that was a blessing. She had big eyes. Yeah. She said it was young. She was teased as a young person. She's right now. See what she tells her age. She doesn't tell her age here. Some people tell her age and don't even care. So anyway, Miss Greta Edwards, I really appreciate the kind letter there. Because like I say, I'm going to do more videos to help people, not only with the cooking, but mentally and financially, if I can do anything to help. Okay, the next one here from Gwendolyn Campbell out of Oxford, Georgia. That's probably a small town. I never heard of Oxford, Georgia. And she sent a letter. She also sent a monetary donation to the ministry too. So I appreciate that. The donation, a nice check that you sent me. And she wrote on here, and she wrote, I had to somehow write you about your mental health video. Video was so touching, made me think about what I've been through. Everything you said about talking to others, what I encountered. I had no one to talk to. First tried to talk so-called friends, were put down, so it never did happen. So she closed it, say she took time out of my busy schedule to do this in favor of people I love. It has not been going you say, if it's not been said, I'm going to say it. You're a true man that loves God. I haven't closed a small donation for your ministry. I appreciate that, Gwendolyn. Anybody send me, like I told y'all before, all this donation stuff, it goes into a special account because I'm building for the future. And I am going to build that facility that I can give free hot food, 1 hot meal a day. I'm currently working on some people in Dallas, trying to find some venues. And I want to do one here in the KATY, Houston area, but Dallas is my main focus. That's where I'm going to be living in the next 18, 24 months full time. So I want a facility there that I can be hands-on with. And if I could do a mirror one here in the Houston area, I'm definitely going to do that. But yeah, that's already in focus. Funds are being saved, and that's in action, not only words. Okay, I got another one here. Paula, B-U-R-I-T-C-H. I'm not going to rip your name up. From Caterville, Illinois. I don't know where that is. I think you was in my live chat one day, Monday. I think that's like, I think you say 2 or 3 hours from Chicago. So she sent a card here and a monetary donation. I appreciate that. And what she saying in a little card here? She say, thanks for all your encouragement. You encourage us in the kitchen and in life. I'm sure all of your past heartaches have been made into kind, compassionate person you are today. I'm sorry you had to suffer in the past. God is sure using you now. Keep on loving and encouraging His love. Oh, she wrote some more stuff on the back. I forgot. She said she have an online Bible study on Thursdays. We have collected money in the hopes of helping others. I have mentioned you to them a couple of times about your ministry, helping others with a purpose. I asked if we could send you some of our collected money. They're excited, so she enclosed it right here, the money they collected for my ministry and my building here in the future. So I appreciate that. Say from Vicky Shelley. It's from Vicky Shelley and herself, which is what's the name again? Paula. I really appreciate that, Paula, and Shelley and Vicky. Like I say, everything is building. What y'all do, little things y'all send me, and even encouragement, I'm telling y'all, you will see. I've already spoken into existence last year, and I'm putting it into action little by little. So anyway, I appreciate that. Y'all stick by. I'm going to come back with this amazing deal of the week. Don't leave. Don't go anywhere, because the deal I'm about to show you, you need to jump on it. It's the best deal I did in the past 2 months. It's an air fryer. And the price is absolutely amazing. I've been working with this company back and forth trying to get the price as low as I can. We finally got on the price, and y'all need to hop on it for the next couple of weeks. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Now, I got the box here still for this, y'all, because I'm about to ship this thing out to somebody. Because I have 2 air fryers already. I don't need another one. So I'm saving the packaging where I can actually ship it back out. So let me undo this as careful as possible. I gotta put all this thing back together, and I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about it. Tell y'all a little bit about this. Y'all know I love my air fryers, and I've been doing recipes with these air fryers, y'all. All packed up really good here. Pack this thing in here. I'm going to take this off again. And y'all get it. You might not have no plastic on it, but it'll be in the box like it comes. Okay, y'all. Put this thing together right quick. Now, this is a 5.8 quarter. Now, it's not huge, but it'll do. Most people have a family of 2 or 3 people. This is bad for you. Let me put it in here. I have bigger ones, and then I have one just like this too, depending on what you want to cook. I'm going to plug this in here, and I'm going to put all this back in and save my bag here. Now, I can't pronounce this name, Sakuchi. Now, what I've told y'all about air fryers, they pretty much do the same thing. Only thing different is the size of them. They all pretty much do the same thing. Some are smaller or bigger than others. Plug this thing in here. Plug it in. There we go. Now, one thing I already like about this, Kenneth, you'll be happy with this one here. The digital stuff is at the top, y'all. I love this. I hate having to bend down here and all that. As Kenneth would say, he watching me. Got to squat all down, and you know we can't see. We old, trying to see the numbers. This is absolutely amazing. You just stand right here, push how you want it, how cold you want it, how hot you want it. I absolutely love this feature. Now you get them in. I wrote myself some notes here so long. I get to talking, I forget what I'm saying. You got 3 different colors. You can get it black, teal, or y'all know my favorite color, red. So they asked me what color you want me to send out. You know I say red. So this one come in red. And I love, like I said, all the digital things at the top. Just like an airplane, a cockpit to me. But right here at the top. Now let me tell you the price. Now you go buy an air fryer like this. It's gonna cost you $100, $110, especially state of the line like this. I know many air fryers. Like I said, I got 2. I had 3, and I bought many of them, and I did reviews on many of them. This normally would be $100. Okay, the company say okay, it's $100. Number one, they knocked $30 off of that $100, meaning it's really $99.99. They knocked $30 off of it. They put it down to $69.99. Now that ain't enough. I need a discount code. Now when you log in, I'm gonna put a description in the video. When you go to the description and click, it's gonna automatically have the $69.99 price on there automatically. But as you check out, there's gonna be a place where you put a discount code. You're gonna get another 10% off of that, which is gonna knock it down to $67.89. So that's all you're gonna pay for this. Normally $100. The company, like I say, back and forth, they try to get, look, this is what I want. I'm not gonna take it unless this, and this price. I'm very adamant about that. I wanna help y'all out there. A lot of people is very, very limited in funds, and I'm pushing air fryers all summer. I'm gonna be cooking in air fryers all summer. Get you this product right here. In the next couple of weeks, while all the prices is going on, I think he's gonna have the deadline until the end of this month. But I know the next 2 weeks for sure that the product code and the price will be up. But yeah, this 5.8 quarts. If you're playing along at home, a lot of people don't know how many quarts it is. 5.8, almost 6 quarts. And it's pretty big. You can get a lot of stuff in this pan here. I love it. I love it because it's red. I don't have a red air fryer. Y'all might be getting one of my old air fryers. I might be keeping this one. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that. But anyway, y'all, go check it out. This is a deal of the week. You definitely, if you don't, somebody need one or whatever, you might want to buy for them or go and pair together with them or whatever. So y'all know air fryers is the state of the art stuff right now. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video. Also, it comes with a instruction manual. With air fryer is pretty much self-explanatory, but like I say, they put the book in there for y'all. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, old school soul food. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.